Okay, let's continue to the next one. Here I'm using my own function, but using testing library you can use testing library API. So I need to import userEvent. Okay, so import userEvent from testing library userEvent. Now let's see how to use it. Let's remark this and following userEvent dot, and you see here all the events. Click and copy and type all the events, and you need to provide it the element. So how can I get the element? I can get it. Let's define add button and do the following. We can use a function that is called getByText. This is a function of testing library here. Okay, we can do getByText, and we will need to provide it first with the container. The container is the app element, and then we need to provide it with the text, and this is the text. So it's really very simple to what I've done, but testing library is doing it for you. Why should you prepare your own if you have it on testing library? And now I can use it here. Okay, so I can remove this, and I want to remove this, and I can do it also in one line. So here I will do it in one line, userEvent, and I need to provide it with the button element. And the button element, I can take this and use start scheduler, okay? And I can remove also this. So I'm enqueuing, I start a scheduler, but let's see if it is working. Let's invoke this specific test. And let's see what we have. Okay, you see that it is working. Let's change here to output 1, and it should not work. Okay, so revert it to output. Okay, and let's use this inside and remove this, so the code will be more compact. Okay, now I want to make another change. I don't want to work with specific element. And when you are using with output, the output has a role, and the role that it has is called status. So I can remark this and do the following. Get by role and provide it with app element. And here I will provide it with a role that is called status. Okay, output has a role that is called status. Now let's see what we have. Let's close it and let's run it again. Okay. And you see that if I will write here heading, it will not work because it is other element. Okay, so let's revert it back. Okay,